We are thrilled to see James Ramos, a distinguished alumnus of this great university, who has been an outstanding leader within this community and a tremendous role model for countless people, sworn in to represent the state's 40th Assembly District.
For the office of Member of the California Assembly, repeat after me. I, James Ramos, do solemnly swear
that
I will support and defend
I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of
and
California
the Constitution of the State of California
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance.
When I received my Bachelor's of Science degree here at this California State University San Bernardino, I went home and told everybody I'm an official Coyote. And my family members told me, well, you were born a Coyote because that's our moiety, that's our clan. We're Coyote clan. So we were born a Coyote. They said, you didn't have to do all that work. You already were born a Coyote. But it really is with great honor that we continue to move forward and spending the time here at Cal State University San Bernardino, where the motto is, we define the future. And as we look around this room and we look around where we're at today, to be sitting inside of a building named after my great-great-grandfather, Santos Manuel, the first building named after a California Indian leader in the state of California, is right here at Cal State University San Bernardino.
This education, this institution is just a great institution because we graduated, and yet now when we're doing milestones in our lives, the welcomeness and the family that Cal State represents is truly amazing, because we wouldn't be able to be here today unless the campus opened up for us. So it's not just a place to come to school and you forget about it. It's a place that you come to school and you're part of the family. Coyotes.
Thank you, James.
Thank you. Congratulations.